Welcome to Jamaica Citizens Guide. In this video, I show you how to register a power of attorney in Jamaica. Here are the requirements: the power of attorney document and fees. Please note that the power of attorney document must show date of execution, signatures of parties, and those parties are the grantor, grantee, and justice of the peace or notary public. The document must also show terms and duration, and full name and address of grantor and grantee. Step 1. Have the document stamped at the stamp office and pay the stamped duty. The stamp office is at 111 Harbour Street, Kingston. Step 2. Take the document to the Island Records Office at the Registrar General's Department, RGD, for the registration. Pay the fees. If you want your document returned to you the next day, the service charge is higher than the regular 7 to 10 days service.